And part of the reason jury selection is taking so long is because this is a death penalty case. The prosecution and defense are asking a lot of very thorough questions about this. Our Lisa Greenberg has been following this case since the start, and she dug a little deeper into how rare the death penalty is within our state.
Taking a look back on court records, it turns out getting sentenced to death is quite rare here in Southwest Florida. The last person to be sentenced to death in our area was Misak Damas in Collier County in October of 2017. He actually got 6 death penalty sentences for murdering his wife and 5 children. He's one of 3 people sentenced to death in Collier County. But before Damas, the last person to be sentenced to death in our area was James Robertson in December of 2012 in Charlotte County. While in prison serving a life sentence, he strangled his cellmate to death with a pair of socks, saying he did it because he wanted to be on death row and die. Including Robertson, 6 inmates have been sentenced to death in Charlotte County. And in Lee County, 4 inmates have gotten the death penalty. Getting the death penalty will now be even more rare in the future because the law says the jury has to unanimously vote to give the death penalty. Our state's legislature passed this statute, making this a requirement in March of 2017. The rule also says if there's a hung jury, there would be no retrial. Instead, there would be a life sentence for the defendant.
All right, so this trial could take weeks, and Fox 4 will be there. You can count us to be in the courtroom and live outside the courthouse, recapping everything that happens. You can keep up with the entire trial on air and online at fox4now.com and the Fox 4 News app.